Experience. Mami, adventurous.
Natatakot ako eh.
Oh, you talk na in the vlog.
Guys, nandito tayo sa boat.
Oh, where are we? In the boat in Baguio City.
Daddy, can I hold the water?
No.
Dirty.
Close mo yung mouth mo at baka mamaya mababasa
There's the
tayo.
SM. SM without aircon.
Oo nga, lamig na kasi masyado.
Kaya nga, tayo lang patayin yung centralized aircon dito. Ayun yung hotel natin, 456 hotel.
Okay. Patalikod tayo.
Mami, sipon!
Sipon? Sipon?
Okay.